For tilting solar panels, Radiant offers the best system in the market. Introducing the Radiant Solar Tripod System, tilting solar panels from 10 to 45 degrees. A strong, triangular frame that opens in seconds, making installation time as short as possible. Simply open them up, lock in the bolt, and the Radiant tripod frame is ready to go. Suitable for all roof types, the solar tripod can be fitted to tin roofs, concrete roofs, sandwich panel roofs, clip-lock roofs, and even tile roofs. Once the tripod is connected, it then simply needs 2 base rails to click into the preset rail clamps. Click in your middle and end clamps to hold the solar panels, and you're done. When it comes to putting solar on Australian rooftops, think Radiant Solar Racking for both quality and reliability with your next install. If you would like to learn more about Australia's fastest racking systems, contact us today.